He didn't want to let you in front of him.
Yeah.
Okay, but
We were at the stoplight, and there was a parked car.
get out the
Tesla. There was a parked car.
right.
And so I was speeding up to get either in front or behind, whatever he was going to do.
All right.
He sped up.
And which lane was he in?
He was in this lane, and he was trying to cut me off.
Okay, which lane were you in?
And I was in this
He
lane.
was trying to merge over in front of him.
Oh, no.
You was trying to merge over in front of him.
At the light.
Hold on.
At the light.
You was trying to merge over in front of him, right?
Not in front of him. There were two lights. There were two lanes. I had my signal on. He sped up because he didn't want anyone to get in front of him. And so whenever I was trying to get in front of him,
You hear what you're saying?
yeah, I was trying to merge. And then
Listen to what I'm saying. You hear what you're saying?
yes,
You're saying you
and I
was in
trying-
one lane and you was trying to merge in front of him,
because
right?
there was no way. There was no
But
other
you
lane.
cannot get in front of. That's his lane. He occupies that lane.
And so he can hit my
Stop trying to talk over me.
car. I'm not talking over.
Yes, you are. You're not letting me get a sentence in. If you're in that lane,
I was not in that lane.
it don't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. If you're in that lane or this lane, whichever lane you was in, if you was in that lane trying to merge into a lane that he already occupied, you can't do that. You're not entitled to that lane just because you put your signal on. That's his lane all the way through. It's your job to clear that lane before you merge over.
And what about steering into my car?
Nah, I have nothing to do with that. All I'm saying is, if you already told me multiple times, without being interrupted, that you was in a whole nother lane trying to merge in front of him, he occupies that lane. He has a right of way to that lane.
Okay.
All right?
Got it.